Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sporify Learn. I hope you all are happy with your results. Please do let me know that in the comment box. And the most of the one of the requested video is that like what is the procedure that we have to follow for revaluation, and I'll be explaining in detail everything. The most of the comments which I required, like DMs I got is like you are failed in 5, 4 and 3, 2 subjects. This is the maximum replies I got. That is most of you are having ADA, EMC, Bio and DBMS as your backlog subjects. Okay, please don't worry at all, guys. Now I'll be explaining in detail. First I'll be saying what is the procedure the VTU has released today, and what is the what you have to focus, and how much marks if you have, how much you may get, or based on what you have written, everything I'll be explaining with your external marks, like if you have 15 or 12 or 13, everything I'll be explaining in detail in this video. So please watch this video completely in order to get a clarification. Even see, you have passed, okay, like you are having marks of 79 or 69 or 89, like this you are having nines. Okay, is there any chance that you will get 1 mark, so that your SGPA will be increased? That and everything I'll be explaining in detail. Okay, now let's see. First, see, they have released the circular today itself, and it is for 4th semester and 6th semester arrears results which they got. Okay, see, there is first you have date is from tomorrow, that is 25 to 28 they have given, that is up to next Tuesday they have given time. Okay, 25 and 20, 25, 27, 28, and these 3 days you can apply, as 26 is Sunday. After 29th, if you want to apply, you have to pay extra 500. So the detail is, first for 30 rupees is taken for this and all, it's the date, don't worry, as this is the amount I'll be writing it here. Okay, this is taken as application fees for which you fill and all, they take 30 rupees. And if you want to apply for revaluation, it is 300 and 630 rupees. And if you want photocopy of what you have written, that is 400 rupees. Okay, per subject I'm speaking, per subject. Okay, and next is this 30 rupees is taken per candidate. If you apply these both, and this, it will be taken as 1040. If you just apply these both, this is 630, or else it is 430. I hope you understood how this payment, okay, how much amount you have to pay and all. If you want to apply for revaluation, it is 630. Photocopy means it is 430. Both means it is 1030. I hope you have got this. Okay, now see, whether if you have backlogs, see guys, if you have, see, revaluation facility is not available for the subjects with MCQ. Okay, if you have UHV backlog and all, you will not be able to apply for revaluation. So many like comments I got is for UHV itself, like you have scored 16 marks. Okay, and you have got the backlog in that subject. Okay, see, please don't worry about that. Next you can clear that, as it is MCQ subject, you can easily do that, no need to worry. Okay, the basic is main is about the 4, 3 and 2 credit subject. Okay, now I'll be saying, see, let's discuss. If you have 4, 5, 4 and 3 subjects backlog means, see, in external, okay, I am writing the external marks, maybe you are having 17 also, maybe there 16, 15, 14. Okay, see, just you want, if it is 17 means it will be what, 34. Okay, 1 marks you have required, that most of the cases it will not be coming. Okay, they'll pass that candidate also. See, the major is 16, 15 and 14. See how much marks you need. 14 into 2 if you do, that is 28 you will be getting. If you get 35 also, it is pass. Okay, so how much marks is there difference? 35 minus 28 if you do, there is difference of 7 marks. Okay, 7 marks means please do apply for revaluation. Okay, here if you see, that is 30. If you get here, it is 5 marks, here it is just 2 marks. Okay, not 2, 16, yeah, 3 marks. Okay, that is, if you have very confidence that you have written at least 3 modules perfectly, means please do apply for revaluation. And when you wrote the exam, like you were thinking that you are going to get less marks in that subject, and you were not confident, you didn't write the answers properly, you were not able to recall, or any cases, please don't, like if you have confidence, please do apply for revaluation, else please don't go with it. Okay, or else you can go with us photocopy you can take, and you can verify with your lecturers, and then you can proceed ahead for revaluation. Okay, this is the one case. Okay, this is for, I said, when you have got backlogs. Okay, now I'll be saying when you have 5 subjects backlogs. Okay, or only one subject backlog if you have. See, maybe you are getting 14, 13, 12, 11 and all. See, there is difference in marks. Okay, you have to get 18 marks in order to pass. Like 17.5 if you make, they'll be rounding it off to 18 and they'll be giving. Okay, just that's it. The case means you have difference in marks. Please do first try to take the question paper, analyze that what you have written, and is there any chances of you are getting marks. Please do recall that and try to analyze that. Okay, if you have 5 subject backlogs and you want to apply for all the subject, means it's like waste. Okay, which subject you have confidence, please do apply. If you have confidence for all 5, then well and good. If you have 4, 4 apply. If you have 3, 3 apply. Okay, because you have to even see money. Okay, that is, if you take 630 into 5, how much it would be? 630, sorry, it is 600 into 5, right? Okay, it will be 3030 rupees. Okay, if you apply for 5 subjects, that is waste. Okay, if you have confidence, then go ahead with this. Okay, else you apply for how much subjects you have confidence. That's all I wanted to say. This is about when you have backlogs. Okay, and MCQ subject, no guys, you cannot do anything. It's based on OMR. The scan will be done perfectly itself, so no revaluation for OMR or MCQ based subjects. That is, you are asking for UHV, right? That is not there. Now we will be discussing your SGPA is between 7 to 8 or 8.8 to 8.5, and you are getting like external marks is like 30 or 28 or 25 or 19 or 20 in some cases and all, and you are getting total like in internals you are having nice marks, so you are getting at 79, 89 or 59, 69 or again 59, anything like in 9s you are getting at last. So if you get 1 marks also, see in ADA if you get 79, you think if you get 80, it will be taken as what? 9 marks. Okay, 9 credits. Okay, it is of 4 credits. 9 into 4, if you do 36, so your SGPA may increase. That is the case. Okay, when you have this, and if you are well and good with your SGPAs and your CGPA is also good, means then don't go ahead for revaluation. Or if you think that your CGPA is like 7.99, 6.995 or 6.95 or like that, okay, 8.95, you can go ahead with revaluation if you have confidence. Okay, if you want to boost your CGPA and you have confidence that you may get 1 marks. And see guys, for both I am saying, if your external marks is 18 and in revaluation you got it as 19, then 19 itself will be considered. But in worst case, if your external marks you got in the result is 18, but in revaluation you got as 16, means 18 will be considered. They'll not fail you. For that, don't worry at all, because best of which marks you will be getting in revaluation and the actual and revaluation marks, the best only will be considered in this both, so no need to worry about that. If you have like these marks and if you want to boost your CGPA and your like it is like 9, 5 and all, means you can go ahead. Okay, next is like it is between 7 to 8 and you have like 25 and 28, 21, 20 and all, and you like you want marks but you don't have confidence, then please don't go ahead with revaluation. Okay, it's just like you have to recall what you have written. Is there any chances of coming marks? Okay, in some cases they give marks, in some cases they cut marks also, but in that way also you will be getting the best marks itself. So you have to think what you have to do and you have to go ahead. Okay, I hope you have understood what are the things that you need to focus in revaluation. I think I have answered for all the like questions I got on Instagram. Like I had uploaded the previous story, I think you know, and everything update I'll be giving it in my WhatsApp channel. Okay, see another one they had messaged me as like they are not like good with marks. They had expected 70 in microcontrollers, they got only 52. That is in 14 they got it externals. Okay, that is they are putting for revaluation. Like if you have confidence, then you can go ahead. Okay, next is like so many of you have asked when is the revaluation for fourth sem and all, so I have made this video. And had got 13 marks in external, that is DBMS more you have got, because there was more query, that is for 10 marks itself, right? So no need to worry, you can go well in fifth semester. And if you have summer semester means you can write in that, else you have to wait for next even semester in order to write this examination. Okay, in last video many of the comments I got is we can write in summer semester or not. If you register through college and you know what is the procedure for summer semester examination, then yes, you can easily write and you can easily pass. And all the videos for this backlog subjects also it is there. And please do apply for revaluation when you got the result. Please do let me know that what happened, and if you have any doubts related to anything, and if you want to say, like so many of you had messaged like external marks I am having 14, 13, 12, and so many of you have like just sent me the question paper and you have explained me what you have written, ma'am shall I apply or not, and I have replied to each one of you guys, and I hope you are clear with it. And still if you have any doubts, please do DM me on Instagram account is Sporifii_learn. And the same way so many of you had said like feedbacks which I got is like I was like wow, and I was so happy yesterday because of all of your results. And I'll be uploading just all the replies, most of the replies which I'm selected. And I hope this video was helpful to you. And if it is helpful means please do like this video and share with your friends so that they'll be also clear that what to do next and all. And thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next video, bye bye.